these are the 3 shades that I bought from Maybelline. What I like about the product, it's very soft. The word teddy, it's really a soft teddy bear. These are the colors that I chose, complements my skin tone. As I was applying Pinky Bestie, I thought of nag-o-ombre siya. I'll also do that with these 3 shades. If you have the same skin tone, you can try out this shade. I'm a bit on the warm side. These colors, let's try if we can do the ombre. A little goes a long way. Like that. I think this is good also if you can put a lip liner. And then this one. And there goes the ombre. So I used Skinny Deep and the Pinky Bestie. Those two. If you want it a bit warm, you can go with Latte to Go. Pearl Orange. It warms up, you know, the tone. So that's how you can try and explore Maybelline's Steady Tints. I am happy with my purchase. I am happy with the colors. There's still a lot of colors to choose from. Hope you try it out.